Hello students, Mr. Arzali here. Out cross-country skiing in what feels like absolutely the middle of nowhere. I think I've seen about 5 people today out here. Came out by myself just to enjoy some quiet time in nature. I just thought I'd share a peaceful moment of snow falling. I'm outside of Carson, Washington at a ski area called Old Man's Pass, which feels appropriate. I hope you take a moment to sit in nature quietly whenever the opportunity presents itself or whenever you can get yourself outside.